Who's your character?
Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're playing the shooting horse game.
You said that like all in a rush. Okay. Which one are we doing?
Let's do rooftops. I love rooftops.
Okay, wait, let me get up.
Rooftops.
Damn it. I'm chicken and you're sheep, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm choosing this. Don't you dare choose that one. Cool. Oh, look. Okay, why did you put it exactly there?
I don't know.
Okay, it's fine. I don't want it. Don't do it. No. Okay. Great. I'm getting on this. Bye. Have a great time. Okay. Let's go. Don't.
What?
Ah! Juke.
Oh no!
Dun, 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 dun.
I remember when Robert kept doing that.
Ow. Wait, Robert played this?
Yeah, I played it with Robert.
Oh wait, you have it now.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, let me just get Roger out from under the sofa. Roger is over.
I thought his name was Roderick.
Oh no, it's Roger.
Maybe his brother should be Roderick.
They should put that there just in case. No! The only reason Robert did that because when I played with Robert, I was just chilling on that. Punching machine. Punching! One of Okay, flip. I have a weapon. Okay, why aren't you coming on this? You're clearly sure that is good. It's a good idea! All you're gonna do is just juke all this stuff. No! I did it once, I can do it again. Surely that's how it works.
Listen now, we're going to do it. Alright.
Hockey. No! If you do that. Okay. You're having this after you every single like millisecond. Bomb, big bomb. Should I destroy it with that?
No, don't.
Roger in here?
Yeah, Roger is in here.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
No!
Why is this guy?
Because you turned him off.
Did you name him Roger?
Yeah.
Roger.
Roger the robot.
I feel like that his brother should be called Roderick.
Roderick?
Yeah.
That's a cool name, isn't
Because
it?
in my diary of when we did, there's someone called Roderick.
Is there?
Wait, can I actually get up?
Yeah, no, you don't.
What?
I'm alive, don't worry.
Roger!
Roger.
His brother should be called Roderick.
But I don't think he has a brother. I swear, you place that one whatever, right? Oh, I have an idea. Yeah. No! This is making things too easy.
That's a useful answer. Roger.
Aha. Roger, no! Roger, you're cleaning up my wire. Oh my gosh.
Let's go! No!
Okay, thanks. Ah! Don't worry. Yeah.
Even though
Don't worry, I'm alive.
I
I'm
can't believe
alive.
my brownie books came.
No.
Band up on the
How long I'm gonna keep this up for? A long time. Let me get up! I'm trying! you clicked something.
Did you do that? Did you do that?
No, I
Did
clicked.
you do that?
No.
Who did?
No, I died. What? I'm gonna delete. What should I delete?
Delete the chainsaw thing.
No, I deleted that thing. Oh wait. Oh, that was the first.
You know I'm recording.
Yeah, I do.
Ooh.
Cannons.
I'm gonna pick.
Don't. Pick.
Why is mine out of control? Right.
Okay. This is gonna launch you straight.
You know I'm scared. If that's gonna happen.
This is definitely gonna launch you straight to the
Come
end.
on, what's wrong with my controller? It's playing up.
Yeah, sometimes those controllers do that.
Come on, my controller's playing. Oh.
I'm about to destroy you. Why aren't you getting shredded? Oh, he got stuck again. Oh, no! Old mansion! Level discovered for Link.
Wait, you died?
What? Oh my gosh, I was looking
Wait,
at
I haven't won a.
True, like what? Don't get me dirty.
Why isn't it letting me press it? It's not letting me press it.
Oh no, oh yeah.
What's happening?
Sometimes your A
Wait,
button
what?
doesn't work.
That's not what I was supposed to press it. I didn't want to.
What did you press?
You pressed it
Should
there.
I delete it?
Yeah, delete it. Right, this time I'm gonna try and win. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Second box. I don't know why I just played the blue kit winning sound.
No, I was supposed to.
Oh no. No, come on. Launch myself.
Oh, there needs to be something there.
Yeah, something there.
Yeah, so then I can actually land rather than just.
Don't worry, I'm alive. No! Juke.
Juke?
Underdog. I don't know what that means, but you're not a dog. I'm taking that. I'll be taking that, boy. Yeah, sometimes that controller doesn't work. Just don't spam it. Do you want to put it there or there? I'm gonna choose there. You can hit my smooth now. Yeah, you can do that.
Come on.
Extra. I'm taking that. Yo.
Killed the sunflower. The sunflower killed us.
The sunflower killed us, yeah, and then.
Ah!
You touched it!
Don't poof it.
Wank! I literally just deleted you. No minutes, no pois.
No paw.
No pois.
Sauce.
Did this.
Wait, what? We both got the same item. Put that.
No. You can't put it in the start section, by the way. And put it in there.
Come on, what's wrong with my controller? It's struggling.
Yeah, it does do that. Okay, cannon. No. I stole it.
But one day, one of the persons in the class is called Kenan, and one day when the teacher was doing the register, it was a different teacher, and then they accidentally called the person Cannon.
Okay.
There's a teacher in our lesson on Thursday.
That's gonna make it super
There's
hard.
a teacher called Cannon, Miss Cannon, in our Emmaus lessons, and then in fact the Don said, "Can I?" Call
Okay, I'm just gonna launch
Don,
up here.
Don basically said, "Can I call you Miss Cannonball?"
No, I'll walk into the cannon and introduce you where I am. No, go back, no! Okay, you're alive. Why did you say no? Let's no, I got killed! We tried. Okay, don't delete this. Okay? Good. No!
Boom. How are we supposed to get get past that now?
Look. This is gonna send you flying down, Cat. Yeah, sure. Bye. Oh, we reached on the way. Wait, let me just dance through. No, no, no! Let me just dance on you. Let me just dance on you. No! Look at my beautiful chicken dance. No! Aha, video. Perfect time. Run! No, no! I'm alive. What? It's shot up! It's literally hitting up. It's going into the cannon and going like. Doo, doo, doo.
Wait, when that mummy turns up at all, we hide.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Do
do
that.
Wait, I need to go to the toilet.
Black hole. Like my black hole.
After this party match,
After this, yeah, we're gonna hide.
no, but when mummy knocks at the door, we'll hide. And then if mummy has to try and find us, and then I go home.
Yeah, sure.
Why is it not there?
Yeah, it does that.
Kitty coaster.
Slipping and
What
sliding.
if I actually have got to stay at this house for the night?
Yeah, imagine if they couldn't find you. No. That's slip. No. Oh, you survived. Okay, good, good, good. No, no.
I'm going to the toilet.
Okay, alright, I'm just gonna finish this match up. Run.
Oh no, you have to use the sink in here because that one's being replaced. Alright, Finley, I'm back.
I'm back.
Wait, what's going
Wait,
on?
it started? Wait, run, run, run! No! No, 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 no! I'm brioche! I'm full brioche!
Brioche, is that the name of it?
Yeah.
A bomb.
What do you take? I smashed the bomb.
I'm gonna put it here. My glasses are wet.
Oh.
So you picked up mine. I picked up your brioche and threw it. Guess what happened? Guess what? 56 days ago, it was Boxing Day. Hey, sunflower!
It's a daisy.
A daisy.
It's daisy 09.
Someone in my school.
Nice. Someone in your school what?
Poopy. Wait, you know, one of Percy's friends is called Poo.
You haven't won anything?
I know, that's because I'm always dying. Okay,
Let's go hard.
my controller was playing up a lot.
Oh yeah, true.
Huh? Should we?
True.
Should we use
Let's
this?
play
Should
the
I
other
use?
one.
Should I use this one?
No, that one won't connect. It's not charged.
I'll be Poopy.
Wait. Seems like I have another controller battle.
Yeah. So then we can swap it because that one's not working. know, I wonder how many views this video is gonna be.
Maybe
200?
Yeah.
You know, the last time we played this game was on Boxing Day, and that was 56 days ago.
Oh, that's why you said it. Wait.
Huh?
Yeah. Wait. No, don't click anything.
I don't know why. Why does Ed Sheeran's voice sound so similar sometimes?
Yeah, it sounds like Slim and Turkish. No,
Wait,
they're the wrong way around. Me first, now you.
Is it? No one listens to that song anymore.
Oh yeah, true.
What?
I don't want to do rooftops. There's the new one we got. Where's the new one?
I like doing rooftops or farm. Can we do farm?
Wait, that's the only ones we have. Oh wait, down here. This is online levels.
Wait, you make. Finley. One day when I was at school, someone put their tie over their head and then they started doing this. Can we do fun?
Wait. Old mansion up here. What? Do you want to play party? Let's play party.
Can we do fun?
Please, can we do old mansion?
Can we do fun?
Please, can we do old mansion? We haven't done it. It says new.
But I don't know what old mansion's like. Oh.
It's
We got voted for.
yeah, we don't need those controllers.
Alright, this first song. Ooh, what?
I still have the door.
Oh well, I'll take honey.
How are we gonna get across with this? I have no idea, but that's what I know.
Why do things I'm going for you still?
Yeah.
Now we can't get down there. Here comes the double!
Why won't this door? No, I put the door with the
Well, I actually run. I won.
Sorry, just kidding. Yeah, that means no one gets points because we both won.
You know, guess what? Some of the people at my school think I have a crush on you.
We're cousins.
Yeah. Why would they think I have a crush on you?
Cousins. Yeah, that's what they thought with me and Jesse.
I remember that time when Jesse said fight.
Fight!
Just guess what Cersei said in her do-it-yourself book?
What?
There was a comic when he said, "You look very sad," and they said, "No, I pooped my pants." I don't expect Jesse to talk about poop.
Yeah. Jesse's fire! Oh, we both died. No, if that thing pushed you. If that thing pushed you. Let me just sorry, couldn't get my words out there. Stone. Ice, ice. Ice. Slipper and slide. No! No! Hee 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 ha. Do 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 do. No, Noah! Don't. Okay. Good. Good boy. No! Just kidding, that won't do anything. You put it on top. You put it on top. No. Ah! Which means I have to do that all the time. No! No, he does do something! Oh no. Oh wait, no, never mind.
Now you have to go through all that.
No!
Wait, what just killed
What
you?
killed me?
What killed you?
I don't know.
What? Well,
I
wait.
just walked through the door and I went like.
Maybe the door killed you.
Maybe it went like, I don't want you through, and then it smacked it like.
Hey! You can't put that hey! Oh, I think I know what they meant in Esther's movie. I think they thought there was hay, and then in fact the horse came over and then said where, but I thought he actually said was hey to someone.
No, no! No, no one! How dare you! That's not gonna do anything to do that. When you put stuff on top of it, it doesn't do anything. And also, I shouldn't have told you that. No!
What did you kill me?
What killed me?
Well, look at the fire. You couldn't even get past there.
Chippy, chippy, choppa, choppa, loogie. Nuke. I took the nuclear bomb. You missed it completely.
No!
Yeah.
Now, how are we supposed to get past that?
My way, my way. We have doors. Doors galore.
Doors.
Doors. What?
What? Who put that there?
Yeah, I put that there. No, it killed me. No! Wait, I can't believe I'm that. No! Haha. Nice! Nice!
I
I'm
just
stuck. Help. Help! Help! Oh, I didn't realise I made a cage contraption. Wait, hold up.
I'm still hungry. I'm half crazed. I made that when I was trying to sleep on Christmas Eve. I somehow made up that meme. I don't know. I don't even know what meme came up with me.
No, I fly and die at the same time. You and I drinking poison from the. I don't know why I just.
A British man. I remember when I said the Danby's character was a British man. None of us has one.
Wait, hold up. Wait, do we still have Danby's? Let me check. Sorry about this sudden. Do we have Danby's?
Yeah.
No, we don't. Not yet. No, stop
Did
it!
I tell you what I used to do with my mum?
What?
This is what I used to do to my mum.
No,
wait,
I know
come
what you're
up.
gonna
Come
do.
up.
I know what you're gonna do.
This is what I used to do with my mum. I used to put my bed.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. No! No, there's no way of getting past now. You do know that.
I know.
You just destroyed our only hope of getting past.
But we couldn't even because there's like a
Wait,
thing.
let me just make it more impossible.
Mission Impossible.
Mission impossible.
Mission Im. What? Did you just?
I swear, if you die at the exact same point, I'm gonna. No, you took my coin. You're mean.
Me?
No. No.
Look.
No one gets past this. I'm punching. I'm just gonna chill here and punch. Like when I'm done, I'm just gonna punch, punch, punch. Oh, there, that's so smart. I'm alive. I'm alive.
What just fell? Wait,
Zelda controller.
where did Roger go?
Legend of Zelda
Where
go.
did Roger? Roger, come back here!
No!
Wait, we've been recording for 23 minutes.
No, my dog. How? Impossible!
Impossible!
How are you destroying me?
I'm not doing her! I'm not doing her!
Wait, what is that though?
Yeah, what does that do?
Oh yeah, it teleports you if you have another teleporter. You can just go like, no, door! No, no!
Ice, ice.
Ice, ice, babe! Whoever's first one to get there.
The Smedes and the Poos.
I am orange. No! No! I didn't collect the coin! Oh, I collected the
Oh, I
coin.
need a time traveler.
Is there another portal? No.
I just said that. I just said that, and I got a time traveler.
You got a time traveler.
I just said I need a time traveler, and then just as I said that, I got.
Wait, I forgot what does that do?
It basically puts stuff in slow time.
Okay, who's gonna get there first? Probably me. Oh, I've been living.
I love it when you fuck poop out.
And ambitions, and baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take me places that tear on my reputation.
You're not actually gonna put it up there, are you?
Maybe.
Someone please get. What? KO!
No, bro, I got sent to that across the whole entire map. I wish I could like slow-mo that. What happened over
Well, I
here?
can't use my time traveler now
Why?
because it's under the next to the electric fence.
It was at this moment that he knew he messed up.
Wait, how do you know that?
Really. He messed up. Don't die! Don't do the me way.
Huh?
Don't do me. How did you do that?
Because I am smart.
Oh my gosh, I forgot to up my game.
Diary of a chicken bum.
How did you take that before me? I was spamming A.
Mummy's here.
Go, run.
Wait, look out the window. Is Mum here?
What colour is your mum's car? What colour is your mum's car?
My mum is far.
No, you just did this to put me off.
I thought Mummy was actually there.
Bro, why did you put it there? Okay, I'm running.
What's he do?
No! How? 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 I destroyed you in the other match, but how am I getting... Stop dying.
I'm still hungry.
Give me more food. I want num num.
The same as it was
You
in our
again.
thoughts. We love poo.
What?
Because we love to dance right now. More parody songs.
Stay still.
I need a book.
Why can't I grab that? I was just
I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. Oh no.
Babies into
You're gonna turn babies into night holes.
Oh.
You're gonna turn babies into night
I said, and then the day. Wait, get the dynamite stick and blow up.
I'm gonna blow up all this.
No, no! Blow up the thing next to the time traveler. Okay. That's gonna.
No. Finley. Oh, I should have blown up that so then I won't die.
How did you make that?
I don't know.
Literally. I was just like, I'm just gonna let him die.
Haha, arrows are not gonna kill me today.
How do I do this actually? I have no idea. I go onto the crossbow. If I don't. No. Ah!
I can't believe I survived all that.
Pro gamer moves. This is definitely. What?
I fix balls.
What?
That's a song right now. I just made up that song.
Help. How am I gonna do this? How did you do this? Don't tell me I need to hold B to.
We asked for nothing, Sky.
Nothing.
Nothing.
We don't want to give up.
I applaud you for nothing. 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 Nothing.
No!
Nothing.
You won.
I won. Nothing is gonna stop me. Nothing. I mean nothing.
Wait, do you want to play Human Fall Flat? Or you can have that installed.
Human Fall Flat. What
Are
were
you
we
sure?
doing on Human Fall Flat?
Wait, I'm not